Hey guys, this is the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. It is so powerful. It has so many features. I just wanted to show you right here. We use this machine for everything except for toast. It's the only feature we don't use. We have a regular toaster that works a lot faster. But everything else, this little machine is genius at. It's really easy and intuitive. You know, the function knob just moves around. And as you see, like, the temperature changes for the setting that they believe is most appropriate for whatever feature you're using. There's also a timer here. I think that changes too, depending on what you're cooking. And then you can also manually adjust both the temperature and the timer down here. Just a really simple on-off button.
And it's good to go.
There's a light that comes on, which is nice. So you can check on your food while you're cooking it. You also can change between Fahrenheit and Celsius. This thing, so right now I have my air fryer basket in because I just made hash browns this morning. This is killer for hash browns and any kind of, like, sometimes I'll fry up some tofu or chicken wings. This air fryer works great. I got rid of my other air fryer. It did not need to take space because this one works so well. Really easy to, open, and there's a lot of space in there. Hold this up. That's on a nice. You can fit up a whole lot in this machine. Now, we initially got this. Mine lived in an apartment and had a really small oven. But I will tell you, we don't live in an apartment anymore, and we still use this for at least 4 to 5 meals a week because it keeps us cool. And the oven heats this whole kitchen up. This is so contained, and it just cooks really, really well. Initially, I was scared of convection, but once you learn, really the only difference that I've found is the temperature difference. So if something is supposed to be 325, I usually cook it like 300 or 305. But you can, usually instructions will tell you about that. So it is, it's a nice size. You can see how much space it's taking up right here on my counter. It also fits underneath. It's really versatile, and I recommend this for just about anybody. It'd be great for a college student. Be definitely great if you live with a tiny kitchen. This saved us. And also, it just is so convenient. So, hope that helps.